Morning, y'all. Back with another quick video. It's an easy recipe for a stir-fry couscous with vegetables. I filmed it spontaneously, so you're gonna hear my kids. It's a lot going on. But anyway, I hope you like it. If you make it and you like how it comes out, let me know in the comments, all right? Y'all enjoy. It's a little quick stir-fry, I guess you could call it. I'm doing. It's got some cabbage and broccoli, carrots, onions, bell peppers, and I threw some spinach in it. And I'm going to add this couscous that I have soaked. I kind of wish I had put some coconut milk in the couscous. Have you ever had coconut milk couscous? It's so good. Alright, they are cooked enough. Just a little olive oil. I had it on like medium heat, not too high. Hey! I'm about to add some Bragg, a little basil. I added to this so it don't clump up in the couscous. A little garlic powder. Okay, a lot of garlic. You know what? I could have put some fresh garlic in it. And we're going to do some curry. Y'all know I like curry. And some black pepper. Right, seasoning is mixed in. I'm adding this couscous. Might turn it down a little bit. I know y'all hear my rowdy kids. I'm just kind of crumbling it up. I actually did the couscous yesterday, so it's definitely stiffened up. Just added a little bit of nutritional yeast because I like it. And let's mix it up. Oh, the spoon got hot. Lord. Yeah, just a little quick stir fry. I could have put a little less couscous in it, so it could have been more vegetables. But it's all good. Gonna mix this up real nice. Alright, it's done. Quick. Your veggies. And all I did for my couscous, I just put some hot water on it and let it soak before I added it.